John, thank you for sharing your progress report with our surveys that we're developing in Media Studies and Research and Design. Looking through your questions, excited by the kind of information I can tell you're seeking out, and hoping to ascertain from potential respondents. And here's a little bit of feedback that just comes to mind immediately. Look out for some of these questions that give 4 potential answers, including a D option that reads none of the above. While the numbers might be small, something that would be missing is also an all of the above, in addition to the none of the above, and that could be some outlier data you could locate. Something else that stands out is you have a oppositional response in terms of residency, and you list city versus rural, and I think that is the norm of the way we often communicate, and we're talking even national voices would be likely to use that kind of language. But it could also be helpful to add a third category, which we could consider suburban. All right, so technically city or inner city versus rural are dichotomous, but suburban demographics deceive a lot of information. That's one of the reasons why gerrymandering continues to be so tricky for us, is that these lines get drawn and then they develop new neighborhoods, and potentially kind of can skew the ethics of certain data and the way that's read. So that comes to mind as well. And on number 7, you ask how many rooms in your home have a television. Wouldn't be surprised if more and more of younger respondents potentially say 0. All right, I know I work with some people. I know some people that would put 0 down. I sure wouldn't. Many of you would not, but you'd be surprised. So I think some of those additions would help you get continue to enhance where you're going with this project. Love reading over it. Thank you for sharing.